Yo, tech lovers, are you ready to ride into the future? Don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future is right in your hands, right now. By 2030, technology won't just change our lives. It's going to redefine what it means to be human, from AI that thinks faster than us, to space stations hosting tourists, to gadgets that make science fiction real. Everything is about to level up. The countdown to 2030 starts here, and trust me, you don't want to be left behind. Let's dive in. Axiom Space is developing a revolutionary commercial space station that aims to transform human activities in low Earth orbit. Scheduled for launch in 2027, this modular station will initially attach to the International Space Station, ISS, providing seamless integration before eventually operating as a fully independent orbital platform once the ISS retires. The station is designed with advanced systems, including propulsion, power, and thermal control, ensuring long-term reliability and sustainability. Its modules will support cutting-edge research, in-space manufacturing, and various commercial uses. Beyond science and industry, the platform also opens doors for space tourism, creating opportunities for private citizens to experience life beyond Earth. Axiom's vision includes state-of-the-art facilities to enhance both functionality and comfort. High-speed Wi-Fi, spacious observation windows, and customizable interiors will make the station not only a hub for exploration, but also a hospitable environment for astronauts and visitors. These features highlight a shift toward making space more accessible and versatile. Ultimately, the Axiom Space Station represents the next chapter in orbital infrastructure. By merging advanced technology with commercial ambition, it will serve as a bridge between today's ISS-era operations and the future of deep space exploration, research, and global collaboration. Realistic robot gaze, redefining human-robot interaction. Disney Research has introduced a groundbreaking advancement in robotics with its highly realistic and interactive robot gaze system. This innovation allows humanoid animatronics to replicate lifelike eye movements and social behaviors, bridging the gap between machines and natural human interaction. The system integrates a combination of subtle head motions, blinking, and dynamic eye tracking, creating an authentic illusion of awareness. By moving beyond static stares, robots appear more responsive and emotionally engaging, enhancing the overall user experience. Such technology has immense potential across industries. In entertainment, it can make robotic characters more immersive and believable. In education, it can foster more engaging learning environments. In customer service, lifelike robotic assistants can provide more natural and satisfying interactions. By making machines feel more alive, Disney Research's robotic gaze system represents a major step forward in human-robot communication. Sprout, a soft pathfinding robot for search and rescue. Sprout is a groundbreaking vine-like robot developed by MIT Lincoln Laboratory in collaboration with the University of Notre Dame. Designed specifically for urban search and rescue missions, Sprout represents a new generation of soft robotics capable of navigating environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans and traditional machines. What makes Sprout unique is its air-inflated, flexible structure, which enables it to grow through tight spaces and weave around debris. Unlike rigid robots, Sprout can maneuver delicately through collapsed buildings, tunnels, or rubble without causing further instability. Its slim, extendable body allows it to reach places that might otherwise remain unexplored, providing real-time video feeds and mapping data to first responders. Controlled with a simple joystick interface, Sprout combines advanced robotics with user-friendly operation. This makes it easier for rescue teams to deploy quickly in high-stress scenarios without requiring extensive training. The robot's onboard sensors and cameras give rescuers valuable insight into hazardous zones, helping them locate survivors while minimizing the risks of disturbing unstable structures. By blending flexibility, adaptability, and precision, Sprout offers a promising solution to one of disaster response's greatest challenges, safely navigating dangerous environments. As development continues, Sprout could become an essential tool for enhancing safety, efficiency, and effectiveness in life-saving rescue operations. Haven 1, pioneering the future of commercial space stations. Haven 1, developed by VAST, is set to become the world's first commercial space station, marking a bold step toward private space infrastructure. scheduled to launch no earlier than May 2026 aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The station is designed to provide both comfort and functionality in orbit. The compact station offers 45 cubic meters of habitable volume, featuring private crew quarters, a deployable dining table, and a breathtaking domed observation window for Earth and space viewing. This design balances efficiency with livability, ensuring astronauts can work and relax during extended stays. VAST has already begun testing the station's primary structure, a critical milestone in bringing Haven 1 closer to reality. The inaugural mission, VAST-1, will host 4 astronauts for a 30-day orbital stay. During the mission, crews will conduct cutting-edge research, including simulated lunar gravity experiments, which could inform future missions to the Moon and beyond. Looking ahead, VAST plans to expand its orbital infrastructure with Haven 2 and additional modules, creating a scalable platform for research, manufacturing, and long-term human habitation in space. With global partnerships and a bold vision, VAST is laying the foundation for the next era of commercial space exploration. Computational lithography is an essential technology in modern semiconductor manufacturing, enabling the precise transfer of chip design layouts onto silicon wafers. As transistor features shrink to the nanometer scale, it compensates for distortions caused by diffraction and process limitations through advanced methods such as optical proximity correction, OPC, inverse lithography technology, ILT, and source mask optimization, SMO. Optical resist modeling integrates spatial imaging with chemical simulations to accurately predict and refine wafer outcomes. While early rule-based and model-driven OPC methods offered incremental improvements, ILT and AI-powered algorithms now deliver superior accuracy for dense, complex patterns. The challenge lies in computation. Advanced mask optimization can require billions of CPU hours annually. To meet this demand, GPU-accelerated platforms like NVIDIA's QLitho provide up to 40x speedups, reducing turnaround times from weeks to overnight while cutting energy usage. By combining AI, ILT, and GPU acceleration, computational lithography enables scalable, high-performance, and high-density chip manufacturing. SorbiForce Carbon Battery, a breakthrough in green energy storage. The SorbiForce Carbon Battery, developed by a Ukrainian startup now headquartered in Arizona, represents a revolutionary leap in eco-friendly energy storage. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, which rely on scarce and toxic metals, the SorbiForce battery is built entirely from renewable and sustainable materials. Its core is made of ultra-porous carbon sourced from agricultural waste, combined with nothing more than water and salt as electrolytes. This design makes the battery non-toxic, fully recyclable, and exceptionally safe. Once discharged, its remaining materials can even be repurposed as fertilizer, closing the sustainability loop in an unprecedented way. Beyond being environmentally sound, it also delivers impressive performance, boasting a lifespan of up to 6,000 charge cycles, far exceeding many existing energy storage technologies. The SorbiForce Carbon Battery is ideal for a wide range of applications. It can store renewable energy from solar and wind farms, provide stable support for EV charging stations, or serve as a reliable, cost-effective alternative for grid-level energy storage. By combining durability, efficiency, and sustainability, the SorbiForce Carbon Battery is more than just an innovation. It's a bold step toward a cleaner, greener energy future that could reshape how the world powers itself. BioLX, developed by Silink, is an automated 3D biodispensing platform that simplifies and accelerates biomedical research through its Biopod bioprinting on-demand approach. Featuring preset validated protocols and cartridge-based bioink mixing, it enables fast, reproducible fabrication of biomimetic models directly at the benchtop, without coding or CAD design. Its high-precision positive displacement extrusion ensures consistent dispensing of droplets, grids, tumoroids, and organoids, while temperature-controlled mixing preserves cell viability. A fully enclosed sterile chamber, AI-assisted nozzle priming, and auto-calibration enhance accuracy. With compatibility up to 384 well plates, BioLX supports high-throughput workflows, streamlines tumor model development, and accelerates cancer drug discovery, empowering researchers to prioritize innovation.
plates. So whether it's droplets to generate spheroids and organoids,
DJI Agras T50, redefining smart farming with advanced drone technology. The DJI Agras T50 is a next-generation agricultural drone designed to revolutionize modern farming with its powerful performance and intelligent features. Built with a coaxial twin-rotor system and a split-type torque-resistant structure, the T50 ensures exceptional stability, even when carrying heavy payloads. It supports up to 40 kilograms for spraying and 50 kilograms for spreading, making it one of the most capable agricultural drones in the market. At the heart of its innovation is a dual atomizing spraying system, which guarantees fine, uniform droplets for efficient crop coverage while minimizing waste. Coupled with phased array radars and a binocular vision system, the T50 can sense and adapt to complex terrains, maintaining precision in a wide range of agricultural environments. The drone also integrates advanced mapping and automatic flight route generation, enabling farmers to plan efficient operations with minimal effort. This combination of autonomy and accuracy enhances both productivity and cost-effectiveness, reducing the reliance on manual labor. From large-scale crop spraying to precision fertilization, the DJI Agras T50 empowers farmers with a smarter, faster, and more sustainable approach to agriculture. With every flight, it demonstrates how robotics and AI-driven tools can transform traditional farming into a highly efficient, technology-driven industry. FireStop 3S, next-generation fire protection. Since 2003, 3S FireStop has been a trusted leader in fire safety solutions, continuously innovating to protect lives and property. Its flagship system, FireStop 3S, represents the cutting edge of fire protection technology, combining precision engineering with proven reliability. Unlike traditional systems that only detect hazards, FireStop 3S is designed to actively stop fires before they spread. The solution integrates a full suite of protection tools, including advanced fire valves, high-performance sprinklers, foam suppression systems, intelligent fire alarms, and next-generation extinguishers. Each component is engineered for seamless operation, ensuring rapid response in both industrial and commercial environments. What sets FireStop 3S apart is its end-to-end service model. From tailored design and expert installation to ongoing maintenance, 3S FireStop provides complete protection solutions for businesses worldwide. This approach not only maximizes safety, but also delivers long-term peace of mind, knowing that every safeguard is in place. With a reputation built on innovation and trust, FireStop 3S continues to redefine what modern fire protection means. For organizations seeking advanced, dependable, and globally recognized fire safety systems, 3S FireStop stands as the name to trust in next-gen protection. FlexiVol, interactive holographic display technology. FlexiVol is a groundbreaking holographic display system that enables users to physically interact with virtual objects projected in midair. Developed by researchers at Spain's Public University of Navarre, this innovation replaces traditional rigid components with flexible, elastic materials, creating a safer and more intuitive way to manipulate holograms. At the core of FlexiVol is its ability to project high-speed volumetric images onto oscillating elastic strips. These dynamic projections create vivid, stable, and interactive 3D visuals that users can grab, move, and adjust directly with their hands. Unlike conventional VR or AR systems that rely on headsets or controllers, FlexiVol delivers a seamless, immersive experience that blends the digital and physical worlds naturally. The potential applications are vast. In education, it could allow students to explore complex concepts, such as molecular structures or historical artifacts, through hands-on interaction. In design and engineering, professionals could manipulate 3D models in real time, improving creativity and collaboration. In museums and interactive exhibits, visitors could engage with digital content in ways that feel tangible and lifelike. By merging holography with physical interaction, FlexiVol represents a major step forward in human-computer interfaces, opening the door to more engaging and intuitive digital experiences. Quantum computing, shaping the future of technology. Quantum computing is rapidly emerging as one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. Unlike traditional computers, which process information in binary bits of zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This unique property, known as superposition, allows quantum systems to perform highly complex calculations at speeds far beyond the capabilities of classical machines. Breakthroughs in the field are accelerating quickly. Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip promises more stable qubits, addressing one of quantum computing's greatest challenges: error correction. Researchers at Caltech have demonstrated a multi-qubit quantum network, paving the way for ultra-secure communication. Meanwhile, IBM's 4,000-plus qubit system is pushing the limits of large-scale quantum computation, bringing practical applications closer to reality. The potential impact spans countless industries. In pharmaceuticals, quantum computers could accelerate drug discovery by modeling molecules with unprecedented accuracy. In finance, they could optimize portfolios and risk analysis in real time. In logistics and manufacturing, they could streamline supply chains and resource management with unmatched efficiency. However, this immense power also brings new security risks, particularly in encryption. As global collaboration expands, quantum computing is set to reshape technology, industry, and society worldwide.